a question, create bug report and watching program module and create slides. I need to more focus on workshop video and need to do, actually we need to do the show and tell. Need to organize my work in my folder, need to do the GitHub. Need more discipline. That's all.
What TS4 you should do?
TS4, you did a lots of things for us. It's really appreciate because before I couldn't talk that much. Now I'm talking. you know, and every time I'm feel nervous what I have to say, I couldn't ask any question. Sharmin always tell me, ask your question, but I can't because I feel nervous. And as a non-IT person, now I'm knows, I can say I knows everything. Yes, at least I know 5%.
Okay, good. So you're growing, at least you're being proactive and you're being more socialized and getting comfortable to ask questions. That's good. Yeah, I wanted to give a couple. So as per the engagement, you guys are doing great. Yeah, the putting your effort and the doing your part and the creating a lot of bug, because I want all of you to create your own bug, because then you can be graduate. And again, I give the reference. Again, 2 months ago, Aisha Javed said, you guys should find out a lot of bug from the TS40. That's the model here, learning by doing. We give you the TS40 has a lot of features, a lot of bug, a lot of enhancement. Agile LM is like the warehouse of the bug. Means we have a lot of bug there, bug or enhancement. That's the reason you are here. And I was shocked that many of the students did not do anything, but you have done the test case, the bug created, which is good. And you guys are doing the show and tell, and as you guys made the commitment that show and tell. So please keep up the good work, keep the same trend.